Dache de Caher, Quidido, Part 2. Right? I'm breaking this chapter lesson up because it's very long and there's a lot of material in it, and that makes it way too hard to do all at once. So this second page is the months and the days. So nothing completely difficult. You got to memorize them though. The months are Januar, Fjaura, Marta, Abran, Baltina, Mehiv, Yule, Lunasa, Mjaunfor, Derrifor, Samhain, August Mina Nullig, as opposed to Law Nullig, which is Christmas, or just Nullig, which is Christmas. Then you get the days of the week. An Luan, an Wart, an Chedin, an Jerdin, an Ina, an Sahern, an Dawnach. Now, J Luan, taking the genitive, the day of Monday, is an adverb of time. So when it answers the question when, so Cahin, J Luan, Monday. Okay, the only one that doesn't have a J is Jerdin, because Jerdin has the J built in. All right. And when you're speaking about Mondays in general, you would say Eran Luan, on Mondays. An abstract in general in Irish gets the definite article. Antaum, the time, is also in here. All these things could be a lesson by themselves. So, telling time. Cuig nomed tareshido, after 2. So 5 minutes after 2. Je nomed chunatri, before 3. And so forth. Catru is a quarter, or quarter of an hour. Catru chunhain, quarter to 1. And so forth. So that's page 2. Practice, practice.